afternoon, and welcome back to another episode of Todd Talks. Today we're going to be featuring our product of the month, which is going to be Pulley Bar Stock. And a lot of times customers are like, what is Pulley Bar Stock used for? A lot of times customers think that we take Pulley Bar Stock and we make our stock pulleys from this. And that's not the case. Typically, Pulley Bar Stock is used when somebody needs prototypes quickly. We can quote prototypes, but sometimes we've got a longer lead time than what most customers need, so they'll need it faster. So they'll buy Pulley Bar Stock, which is basically bar stock that has teeth cut into it. And machine shops are great with bore, keyway, set screw, but they're not typically great with cutting teeth. So they can buy this product from B&B, then they can get it and they can do whatever machining. They'll cut it to whatever width that they need. Then they'll bore it, they'll key it, they'll set screw it, they'll put flanges on it, and they'll have their prototypes in a couple of days. And then they can go put them in their test run, and once they work and they're approved, then they'll usually come to B&B for the production runs. So Pulley stock comes in a variety of different tooth profiles. You have your trapezoidal, which is your English pitches and your metric pitches. Then you have your curvilinear tooth profile, which is going to be your HTD. Then you've got your modified curvilinear tooth profile, which is going to be the powerhouse version. You would know it as Gates Power Grip GT. Then we have our Powerhouse MX pulley tooth profile, which is going to be the poly chain. So a lot of varieties to help you get what you need. And then we stock it in aluminum. We stock it in steel. And then we also have small, medium, and large. So the tooth count that the Pulley stock goes through is 8 teeth through 180. So you've got a usable pulley tooth space that you can machine, and then you can do whatever modifications that you need to it. Keep in mind that B&B can manufacture your prototypes from scratch. Or if it's not fast enough from the lead time, you can actually buy the Pulley Bar Stock, get a machine so you can get them quicker. Then we can do the production run. So we can do things from scratch, we can do things from stock, we can alter a variety of products that come from B&B manufacturing. So keep in mind, if you need the Pulley Bar Stock, B&B's got you covered. We're your belt to drive experts, so let us know how we can help you.